Tired of your website getting lost in translation and struggling to rank in different language markets? Today, we're exploring how to add the crucial Hreflang tag to your multilingual website, all through the power of Google Tag Manager. Let's get started. First, log into your Google Tag Manager account and select the container associated with your website. Click on New Tag to begin. Next, let's configure the tag. Click on Tag Configuration. Now you will have several options to select. We're going to choose Custom HTML to add the code directly. Now, the fun part in the HTML field. Paste your Hreflang tag code. For example, if you are targeting US English, your code will be similar to this. Remember to replace the correct tool letter language and tool letter country code. Next, click on Triggering to determine when this tag should fire. Typically, you'll want this tag to fire on all pages to ensure it's present across your entire website where appropriate. If implementing more targeted rules, select some pages and define the necessary conditions. Finally, give your tag a descriptive name, like Hreflang tag or something related to your language. Don't forget to save the tag and publish your container. This will make the tag active on your website. And that's it. By adding the Hreflang tag correctly, you're telling search engines about the language and country your content is intended for, helping to improve SEO and ensure your content gets seen by the right audience. Now, watch your multilingual SEO store. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other SEO tutorials.